Hi friends, welcome to Beauty with Karah, where we talk about all things beauty. Today, I'm going to be dyeing my hair pink. Okay, so today I am going to be doing something a little bit different. I am tired of all of this. So I got some Manic Panic at Sally's Beauty Salon, and I'm gonna dye it all pink. So I did snip a little piece of hair off and test the dye on my brown stuff, and I like the way it came out. So I'm kind of going for more of purpley everywhere, and then these will end up a little bit more pink. I do go to a hairstylist like every 8 months. She lives about an hour from me, so I don't go there that often. So I'm gonna see her in like 2 months, so if I hate this, she'll fix it for me. So hopefully Broad Mondo is not watching. So I'm gonna put some gloves on, and then we're gonna get started. Okay, so I'm just going to section off some sections. So my husband is actually not a fan of me doing this right now. He thinks it's gonna look so stupid, but I don't care. Okay, so I'm just using Manic Panic because my sisters use this a lot and their hair comes out super bright, and then it eventually fades away, which is kind of what I want. Plus it's also ready to go. I don't have to do anything. I could just start applying. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so hair dye is in, and so I'm gonna wait about maybe 30 minutes and then go take a shower to take it out. Some things I wanna say that I didn't say before this / during me putting my hair dye in is that one, I know nothing about hair. I am not a professional. I only know what I learned on the interwebs and from doing my own hair for a couple times during quarantine. So who knows how this is gonna come out. Second, I started on the bottom and I worked my way up. I thought that would be the easiest way to do it. And third, I know I did not bleach my hair, and that's because I did not want my whole hair to be this bright pink. I just wanted my highlights to be pink, and then kind of see what would happen if I put the pink over the brown and see if it's like pink into like a faded pink. I thought it would look really cool. Also, I want it to fade back to my brown once it's washed out. So that is why I did the stuff that I did. So I will see you in a second after I wait and take it all out. Okay, so hair is washed, and let's reveal what is happening under here. Okay, so it is kind of dark right now because it's not dry, but I can't dye my hair without giving myself a haircut. So let's do that. So I'm gonna part it kind of the way I like it parted, even though I usually just go all the time. I like to attempt to make a part. Okay, so I do the whole this thing. So let's do that. I'm literally just gonna do the same haircut, just shorter. Okay, so it is cut, and now it's time to dry and style. Okay, so that is the finished look. Is it perfect? No. Do I love it? It's okay, but it was so much better than before. I think the haircut could have gone a little bit better, but it's all right. And I'm gonna go see my hairstylist in like 2 months anyways. So that's what I have. There's my pink hair. It did do the whole, it kind of stayed brown for the most part, which is fine because I didn't want like super bright hair anyways, but it did give it a little bit of a tint to it and the highlights came out, so I'm happy. Okay, so it's been a week and I wanted to check in. I did get some makeup on and I did do some touch-ups throughout the week. I did cut this side a little bit shorter because it wasn't laying right. And I did have to re-dye this one little portion right here because my hair straightener was taking out the color. So I definitely do recommend a good heat protector if you're using straightener with this hair dye. I will link the hair dye down below if you want to check it out. So that's all I have for you today. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, let me know down below in the comments. And if you like the makeup look that I have on right now, I will link all the products down below. And I have a Valentine makeup tutorial with most of these products right there. So make sure you like and subscribe for new videos every Thursday, and I will see you next week.